video, we look at disease from two perspectives: its original meaning and modern medicine, to reveal a body isn't broken but intelligent, purposeful, and precise. Our modern understanding reduces disease to measurable pathology. We look for specific cells, pathogens, and lab values to define what is wrong. It's a world of precision, diagnosis, and tangible proof. If nothing shows up on a test or a scan, then officially nothing is wrong. You might hear that you are overreacting, simulating, that the results are clear, or that is just in your head. And if the mind becomes the suspect, the conclusion often follows quickly. Maybe you are just depressed. So the symptom gets medicated. The question of why it appeared in the first place quietly disappears. Let's have a look at the origin of the word disease. It comes from the Old French term deseise. I hope that's the right pronunciation. Dis means away from, not, without. And then ease means comfort, balance, calm, and well-being. Disease literally meant a lack of ease, comfort, or trouble. So literal meaning is not being at ease. Before modern medicine, the body or mind was no longer at ease. Something was wrong. This understanding was broad and deeply practical. Things like pain, weakness, fever, or even despair all counted as diseases because one simple thing was missing: ease. Here you have a contrast between historical and modern view on illness. The older meaning, as I said, was broader and definitely more holistic, focused on lived experience and imbalance rather than just isolated defects. Modern biology calls the body's natural state of calm, balance, and normal functioning homeostasis. It is the biological definition of ease. Homeostasis equals ease. Prolonged stress, unresolved trauma, and sustained imbalance genuinely push the body away from homeostasis, away from its natural ease. This is the psychological state of disease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to share your own experiences with your disease or condition and modern medicine. I would love to hear your perspective. In the next video, I will explore the recall healing approach to disease. Take care and see you soon.